and he talks too much. That's why I like you. You don't talk, you just listen. It's good. Oh. Okay. And the captain has turned on the fasten seatbelt sign. Got a little turbulence coming up. Should be no problem. Just remain in your seat until the sign is turned off. Thank you for your cooperation. Okay.
Excuse me, I'm gonna go to the bathroom.
Hi. Excuse me.
Yeah?
Yeah. I need you to take your seat. The fasten seatbelt sign is on.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go to the bathroom for a second. I'll be right back, okay?
I understand what you want to do. Unfortunately, I'm going to need you to observe the fasten seatbelt sign. That'd be much appreciated.
Right, it's just, I read on the internet that it's not against the law for me to go to the bathroom while the fasten seatbelt sign is on, so.
Seatbelt sign is on.
But is it against the law, though?
The light is on.
Is it against the law?
You see that there's a picture of a seatbelt on that sign.
No, but is it against the law, though?
The fasten seatbelt sign is on.
But is it against the law, though?
Seatbelt sign is
But
on.
is it against the law?
Seatbelt sign is on.
But is it against the law?
Seatbelt sign.
But is it against the law?
It's on.
Law.
Seatbelt sign is on.
Legal.
Seatbelt sign is on.
Lawful.
Seatbelt sign is on. So you're
Law.
being difficult. You're being
Law,
very difficult.
law, law,
Seatbelt.
law.
Seatbelt.
Not
Seatbelt.
illegal, not illegal,
Seatbelt.
not illegal.
Okay.
Legal.
Fasten.
Illegal.
Fasten your seat.
Legal.
Sir?
I have to and I have to
Sir, can you lower
in
your
the
voice?
toilet.
Can you lower your voice?
I have to
Okay. Lower your intensity.
You're louder than me.
You're yelling
You're
in my face.
Sir, you're the one who I think needs to tone it down right now.
The
You are
fasten-
screaming at me.
You're hurting my eardrums. That wasn't a word. You're not saying a word there.
This is a word.
That's not a word. That's a tongue trick. Okay, sir, if you would like
I would not like to. I would not like to sit down. What I'd like to do is go take in the bathroom. Because it's not against the law. So I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Okay? Mark. With a K.
And your captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. Feel free to move around the cabin. Thank you for your cooperation.